How do you get gigs as a DJ? This is probably my most asked question since starting the DJing series. Okay, so in the last episode I taught you how to record mixes. So what you're going to want to do now is create a SoundCloud account under your DJ name, obviously. Also, if you are creating a separate DJ social media account, you can do that. Make sure you've got it set up so people can see that you're clearly a DJ. So set your profile to DJ or have it in your bio. Make it known what you actually do. So you need to record a mix and you need to upload this mix to SoundCloud. I would say the sweet spot for mixes is around half an hour. You can do a bit longer if you want or a little bit less, but half an hour is a good amount of time for people to really hear your sound and hear your mixing skills. So upload your mix to SoundCloud and then you need to promo this mix as much as possible. So you're going to put it on your Instagram story, you're going to make a post about it, you might want to post a little bit about it on TikTok. It's entirely up to you, but you need to promote your mix. Something that really helps, when you record the mix, make sure you write out a track list, and then when you upload the mix and you put it on your story or you do a post about it, make sure you are tagging artists that make the music that you are playing in your mix, especially on your story, because if you're tagging them in your story saying new mix out now including music by, and then you have like a whole list of producers whose music you've played in your mix and you tag them all in your story, that's then going to show up on their Instagram account and then they can reshare that story and then that will reach their audience, and then you start building up relationships with people. Also, a lot of these people that make music also put on events, so yeah, don't sleep on the fact that you should be tagging the artists whose music you're playing. Also, it's nice to kind of like support them. Another good thing to do is you can also film it, so you have video content. Video content, we all know, is what does the best on social media now, so post it on Reels, post it on TikTok. If you want to do this and you want to grow a lot quicker than most people, video content is what's going to help you grow. Okay, so you've got your mix out. The next thing you're going to want to do is create a press pack. What is a press pack, you may ask? Basically, it's just a folder of your information and details and things that promoters can use. You will get asked for a press pack quite a lot, but not all the time. Things that you need to include in a press pack is videos of you mixing, promo pics, your logo, a bio, and your social media links. I just create a Google Drive folder and then I put all of those things in there. I make like little folders, so there's one folder for my bio, one folder for promo pics, and I like have it all organized and ready to go. So how do you get the actual shows? Keep recording mixes, maybe release like one mix a month. Keep engaging with people within your genre, so follow DJs that play the same music as you, follow producers that play the same music with you. Make sure you're engaging with their content and building up that relationship with them. I'm a strong believer in it's who you know, not what you know. Make sure you also follow the promoters' accounts. Events have like a brand name, so follow that brand, engage with their content. You also need to go to the events that you want to play at, and you need to support these people. You need to support them before they're going to want to support you. Cold calling doesn't actually work. In rare occasions it might, but if you want longevity and good connections with people, you're not going to get it through just emailing someone. Support the events that you want to play at. Go to them. Try and find a way to meet the promoter if you can, but don't be a beg. Respectfully. Like maybe if there's a DJ playing, you really like their set, after their set, not during their set, you can go up to them and say, oh, that was a really sick set, get speaking to them, and then you could say, I'm new to the industry, would you mind introducing me to the promoter? I've never done that, but if I was DJing and a girl came up to me and said that to me, I'd be like, fuck yeah. I'll grab her hand and I'll go take it to the promoter and I'll probably say to him like, or her, this is my best friend and she's a really sick DJ and I'll introduce you guys. Do you know what I mean? Make those connections. People aren't actually as mean as you think they are. Try and find a way to meet the people running the events, because they're the people that are going to be booking you at the end of the day. If you're interested in event management, put on your own events as well and book yourself. Another way is maybe get yourself a radio show like on a local station. Reach out to them. Once you have mixes, you know, you've got a bit more of a social media presence, reach out to local radio stations that you know have music playing similar to you. Not like big stations, I mean like small community radio stations sort of thing, and that also gives you confidence in playing. And you have like a regular show. Also, if you follow promoters that put on events, a lot of the time, not always, but sometimes they do put out posts saying we're looking for DJs for like the opening slot, or you know, something like that. There'll always be someone asking for DJs. Once you build up all of these networks, you might get asked to do a residency, or you might get asked to do like a show, like a normal show. You just need to make the networks. You need to really put yourself out there, and I know it's a hard thing to do. Just show up. People will remember your face if they keep seeing you. Do you know what I mean?